Day 2 at the Cougar Flat Campground. Join us for some natural beauty, some soothing sounds from the 12-string acoustic, and some great views of the natural surroundings here at camp. Summertime here in the Cascade Mountains of Washington State is great.
This is a view of my tent. I've got my cot here. I've got the wonderful, great outdoors out there. Those morning birds just hit a little different.
It's morning time here at the Cougar Flat Campground in the Wenatchee National Forest. We had a relaxing night sleeping deep in the Cascade Mountains, being soothed by the sounds of the bumping river flowing behind the campsite.
Morning in the Cascade Mountains.
The symphony of birdsong upon first light is always such a soothing way to awaken when camping in a tent. Let's get the morning started, shall we?
Fran's old-fashioned donuts. They're good. You don't get one of them. That'll work. It's just this nice glazed old-fashioned right there. All right, we got the hot water heated up. Let's have some morning hot cocoa.
And there's an advanced pouring technique.
It keeps it from dumping the whole amount on the table. Sometimes you just gotta go, I'm gonna spill a little to save from spilling a lot. It's just water. Beautiful Wednesday morning here in the Wenatchee National Forest. Cougar Flats Campground is just so peaceful this morning. It's just me and Danny and the dog. Had the whole campground to ourselves. There's maybe 12 sites here. It was just us last night. It's nice and peaceful this morning. Let's see if we can get some kind of more dynamic views through the campsite here. Got the FPV quad equipment out. Let's see what this campground has to offer.
We had the entire campground to ourselves this morning. Just us and the birds. Nobody else last night. The vantage point the birds are able to effortlessly achieve as they fly through the sky and amongst the trees is something I have always been a bit jealous of. To be a bird soaring in the wind. All right, another successful quad flight. It's always a lot more of an exciting view than you think it's going to be. Well, it's been a great morning so far. We're going to continue the morning. We're going to continue having a great time. Hope y'all do too. As the morning progressed, the sun came out from behind the clouds and began to warm the campsite. The complex shadows cast by the tall evergreen trees contributed to the soothing ambiance here in the campground as we relaxed the morning away.
You didn't need to get up. I didn't mean for you to stand. It's like the sun feels nice. Can I play some guitar? All right, girl. I'll get you a cookie. Martin guitar. Since 1833, my brand has been Martin. Alright, he's gonna walk down to the river. See, go across. And then there's like another big log you can see going across. You can hop up on that sucker and walk all the way across. And then you can jump down to the right. And it's kind of brushy. You're gonna go under some overhanging brush. It just opens up to a field. Wow. There's the bumping river right there. Flowers, look for flowers, man. All right. Look for birds. Wow, this is real nice. The bumping river here flowing down is just crystal clear. The side channel here, see little small fry fish swimming around, little water bugs crawling. This is beautiful. Talk about a great campsite. Here right across the river. Beautiful. Wow. This is gorgeous.
She is upset because this is in the way of her and Andy. Emma does not like it when there is something preventing her from getting to Andy. How you doing, girl? Yeah, he'll be okay. He'll be back. She is worried. Look at that dog. She's like, what the hell? Why can't I be over there? She doesn't even want to sit down.
Well, just kind of a spontaneous one-day camping trip out here in the Wenatchee National Forest. Didn't really have a big plan. Been up here to the Bumping River Valley many times before, so we figured, let's go, start of summer. The first week here in summer on a weekday, not very busy. I think we're pretty much done here. It's fun to play though. Yeah, we are. All right, let's do a second battery this morning. fun.
If you haven't seen this thing, yeah, this is kind of like a hot rodded pieced together. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, that's the camera. So yeah, it gets a little fuzzy sometimes. Just show just your view of what you see, because when it gets all staticky, I know a bunch of people be like, yeah, that's just pure anxiety. How do you fly during that?
And that doesn't happen with the drone. It's always just crystal clear radio link.
Yeah, that's true.
You got this on your face and see what you can see. She likes enjoying lunch with us.
All right, Trent, you've served me well this whole trip. And now it's time for you to go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, ta-da! And it's gone. Bye-bye, Trent. I'll see you next time. Thank you for a good night's sleep.
If you enjoyed this gravel bound video, press the like button on the video down below. Leave a comment on the video. Let us know what you enjoyed. Maybe you've been out here the Bumping River before. Tell me about some of your previous camping trips. Check out gravelbound.com for blog posts about this trip. You know, sometimes I post maps and GPS coordinates and those kind of things of our trip. This national forest is grand.
Here's to staying cool.
Well, keep watching here on the Gravel Bound channel. I'll post more videos as we continue to get out here in the great outdoors of Washington State. Posting videos is a great way to encourage me to keep getting out there and share the wealth with all of y'all. I know my mom and dad are watching these videos and they really enjoy getting out into nature here in Washington. I'm glad I can share these videos with them and with the rest of y'all here on the YouTube community. It's been a wonderful morning here in the Wenatchee National Forest. I'll sign off here. It's just beautiful out here. I'd love it.
We made our way over the pass, headed back home. But first, traveling through the east side of Mount Rainier National Park was on the way. Early summer up here at Tipsoo Lake. It's not too busy yet. We all had a rejuvenating experience spending the night out in the National Forest, camping amongst the mountains and the trees. Thanks for coming along with us on this trip. We had a great time.
Whoa, that's the biggest patch I've ever seen. I noticed what happens to be one of my favorite flowers. I don't see it very often. And when you do find it, it's magnificent. I believe it's the Columbia River orchid. Isn't that beautiful? That's incredible.
Until next time.